I am so proud of myself for starting this Amazon business. I am filled with joy knowing so many people are loving the products I'm selling on Amazon. I am so excited that my Amazon products are being loved by so many people. I love that new customers continually find my products on Amazon. I'm appreciating how my Amazon products are going viral and people are sharing them on social media. I love how easily new customers find me on Amazon. I am loving how friends and family are cheering my success on. I am proud of my creativity and the new designs I come up with for my products. Every day, my Amazon business has more sales and more new customers. Every day, my Amazon business gets better and better and better. I am financially independent and abundant. I am enjoying my financial freedom now that my Amazon business is doing so well. Today is a great day to appreciate all the financial success I have because of my Amazon business. I love being financially independent. Every day gets better and better and better for my Amazon business. Every day I smile and feel joy knowing I am so financially secure. I am thankful I have this Amazon business to succeed at. I'm so proud of myself for my courage to start this Amazon business. My Amazon business is now thriving. It gets better and better every day. Every week, my Amazon business sales increase. I love waking up in the morning to see how much money I made overnight. I am grateful how easily my products sell on Amazon. I am proud of the quality of the products I sell on Amazon. I am enjoying the financial freedom this Amazon business is providing for me. I love seeing people who have bought my products on Amazon and they leave positive reviews. I'm so happy with all the positive reviews I have on my Amazon business. I'm loving how easily new customers find me on Amazon and buy my products. I am so proud of myself for creating this Amazon business and following through with starting it. Every day I'm learning more, I'm making more money, and just creativity is flowing through me. It's so much fun. I'm enjoying the financial freedom because of this Amazon business I started. I'm loving how my friends and family are cheering my success on with my Amazon business. I'm living a life of freedom and financial abundance because of this Amazon business, and it feels amazing. I'm grateful that my Amazon business grows more every day and new customers keep coming and finding me. I'm so proud of myself for my creativity and courage to start this Amazon business that is now thriving. It gets better and better every day. Every day, the sales of my Amazon business increase. I love waking up in the morning to check how many sales I had in my Amazon business overnight. Today is a great day that I get to create more products for my Amazon business. I'm proud of the creativity and the new products I come up with to sell on Amazon. I am grateful and joyful every day. I am grateful and joyful every day that my Amazon business is doing so well. I jump for joy some days. I'm so happy with my financial freedom. Every day gets better and better and better for my Amazon business. Today is a great day because I feel so free and at peace because money keeps coming to me from my Amazon business. It feels amazing to have this financial freedom. I'm so grateful for the people that taught me how to do this Amazon business. I'm so grateful for the community of people I've met through this Amazon business. I love all the people that have benefited from my Amazon business. I am financially free and it feels amazing. I'm so excited when new customers find my products on Amazon and buy them. I am an amazing person who is succeeding financially and helping others with the products I sell on Amazon. I'm filled with joy knowing so many people are enjoying products I created and sold on Amazon. Today is a great day for more creativity and more sales on Amazon. I love how successful my Amazon store and business is going. I am so financially free. I am grateful and joyful every day. I love that new customers continually find my store on Amazon and buy my products. I appreciate how many customers love the products I sell and leave 5-star reviews on Amazon for me. I'm so excited that my products on Amazon are being loved by so many, and it is helping me be financially free. I am loving how easily new customers find my store on Amazon and buy my products every single day. Every day, my Amazon business gets better and better and better. I love how financially free I am because of my Amazon business. I'm so proud of myself for sticking with it and learning every step to become financially free. I am so grateful for the people that taught me how to create my Amazon business. I love having a community of people that help me with my Amazon business. I love being able to help others with their Amazon business. We are all succeeding. I love how much money I have now because of my Amazon business doing so well. I love knowing money continues to flow to me and my sales keep increasing from my Amazon business. I'm so proud of myself. I feel amazing today. Right now is an amazing moment. I am so happy that I have my Amazon business up, created, and selling like crazy. I appreciate how many customers love the products I sell on Amazon. I love having more and more sales for my Amazon business every single day. Today is a great day for appreciating everything I have. I'm grateful and joyful every day. Every day, my Amazon business grows financially with bigger sales and more products selling. I love how easily this Amazon business runs, and I just keep making more money. I love knowing I can make decisions not based on whether I have the money, but because I get to choose if I want to do something. Money is always available to me, and more comes to me easily. I am loving how friends and family are cheering my success on. I am so excited that my Amazon products are being loved by so many people. I love that new customers continually find my products on Amazon. Every day, my Amazon business gets better and better and better.